First of all, we needed rainfall data, and we used that rainfall data to obtain how dry conditions would occur over the catchment, and as well as how the rainy conditions will also occur over the catchment. And then in addition, we also tried to get flood data or flooding simulations of floods at the catchment. So this flooding data that we obtained would give us an informed decision on the extent of flooding at the catchment, and then as well as how this flooding would also be occurring in a few years from now. Yes. Okay, so our major findings are that one, we are experiencing flooding, and yes, they are going to continue. And then we are also going to be prone to dry days, which can massively affect our agricultural activities. And these increasing dry days are going to have impact on on crops which have short durations, that they don't need so much dry conditions. So, for instance, maize has a short production period. So if you are going to be having increasing dry days over the catchment, then in essence, we are going to be losing our production on crops such as maize. So when we, in the face of this dryness and extreme wet conditions, that's one, in a short period of time, there's likely to be an extreme or heavy rainfall. Then we should have an advanced or have a notion of harvesting these extreme rainfall that occur, so we can use it in case of these drought conditions or dryness that will occur.
To our forests, actually, we look at, as I indicated, the cost-benefit analysis is very critical for governments to really go into mining bauxite. So they need to do the holistic one. The other thing also is that they have to look out for a mining technology, a technology of doing the mining without destroying the forest. These are options that they can also look at. And because after the analysis you realize dearly we need to do the mining, then you have to look at that. Those are some of the other things they should look at. Now we also have to realize some of these distractions, as we saw, it's not only government. It's usually we the people living within those community. So these people also, there should be a lot of education on how to really manage the district. But over time, as Ghanaians or Africans, we have lived on nature. We have all our benefits is from nature. But how much do we replenish nature? That should also be so recycling, making sure that we make efforts to plant trees.